Hi volunteers. So this is another area you can use, especially on Monday and Tuesdays because the clinic is actually closed. So this area could be as a walking area. And again, what we're trying to do is teach your dogs how to walk on a leash. So check your videos that I've sent to you through your email about loose leash walking. But here we go. So, come over here, Pumpkin. Oh, he found something interesting. So you can use this whole area over here. And again, if the clinic is closed, you can use the parking area, and there's also some nice grass on that side. You can even bring a blanket out with your dog, make sure that your dog is on leash. And of course, in this area, you won't be able to let your dog off leash. Come on. And thank you for going with us on our walk.